Okay, so this section, I'm going to be talking about getting your SEO right. So it means that when people are searching on Facebook for you, they're seeing the words Bitcoin, they're seeing Monero, they're seeing Ethereum, they're seeing digital currency, they're seeing keywords that people are using. I mean, as you get to know Bitcoin, if you're new to Bitcoin, you'll start to learn the keywords. So I'm going to just really think about that as I'm going through it and just writing some simple content that will just take a few minutes. But once it's done, and your search engine optimization for your Facebook ads are done. So let's get that done. So why should you do it? Well, the reason you should do it is because people are searching, and if they see it coming up in the results, that's the results of your efforts with SEO. So people are searching Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And because Facebook is so large, having these keywords in there will help really target down to who you're targeting. So let's do that. Okay, so first I'm going to go to Learn More. As it loads very slowly. Click away and just try that one more time. Great. So as the name, I haven't ordered yet, which should be ordered hopefully by the time you watch this video, as I wanted to show you step by step on how it works. It's alt currency earners club. Now, just to take a moment to explain that, why have I chosen that? I didn't just want to go for Bitcoin. Although my images at the moment, as you can see, are very Bitcoin related, because it's like in the United Kingdom, the Hoover was named for the vacuum cleaner, and whenever I said to somebody a Hoover, they thought of the vacuum cleaner. It's the same now with a Dyson. When someone says, "Oh, you've got a Dyson," you're talking about the vacuum cleaner. When someone says a Coke, they're probably talking about a Coke, Pepsi, and all the other alternatives. When someone's talking about Bitcoin, they're talking about alternative currencies, especially at this early stage. So here I've been thinking about for a while now that name, alt, so it just sounds cool rather than alternative. Currency, because we're talking about currency. I could have added digital currency, but it's just such a long name. Earners Club. So as you're going to see as we progress, I'm not just talking about Bitcoin mining or Bitcoin casinos or other kinds of Bitcoin alternative currency related stuff. I'm trying to encompass everything, and I'm calling it club because I just like the name club. I can do a lot with that, and it builds a community. So that's why I'm going for that. And here I just press add button, and boom, that's added. So that's done and dusted. Now I want to go in and I want to add a short description. So you just click on that when it's a new one. If not, you just go up to these buttons across here and you'll find it in there. So I'm going to just make this up as I go along. It's really not that complicated. As it says here, add 1 to 2 sentences to describe the Alt Currency Earners Club. Tell people understand your club. Well, the Alt Currency Earners Club is all about understanding Bitcoin, Monero, Ethereum, if I can spell that right, hopefully, and other alternative Bitcoin related digital crypto currencies. As an earner, okay, so there we are. That's enough. I mean, it looks like I've run out of space, but I was going to add something along the lines of as an earner and as a learner on Bitcoin and alternative currencies, you could continue. There's so many ways to make money. We cover this, but I think that really it covers it. If you look here, I've got the word alt, I've got the word currency earners club, I've got the word Bitcoin twice in there, Monero, Ethereum, cryptocurrencies again. So in currency and currencies. So I've done my SEO essentially, and that's really it. That's your SEO sorted. Now I don't think I have enough people for it to create a username for your page. Let's see if it works. I think there will be. They won't let me do it yet. Alt currency earners club. I'm just gonna grab this from here just in case. Make sure that's correct. Paste. Boom. And it may allow me an alt currency earners club. They sometimes change their rules on this. You're already fantastic. Great. The username Alt Currency Earners Club has been created for Alt Currency Earners Club. It's now easier for people to find your page and search, which is what we were trying to do. People can also visit your page at fb.me Alt Currency Earners Club and send messages to your page at m.me/Alt Currency Earners Club. Great. So there's many ways for them to search. I typically would type in facebook.com/ I think he says user / Alt Currency Earners Club, but whatever way they can still find me. If you look up here in the browser, it's already got Alt Currency Earners Club and then a number string, but it usually can work without the number string. So that is done for the SEO. So let's proceed to the next step.